Today I am reviewing the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 laser projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector is one of those rare home theater products that immediately changes the way you think about big screen entertainment. Instead of mounting a traditional projector at the back of your room or dealing with complicated wiring, this ultra-short throw design lets you place the projector just inches from the wall and still get an image that can stretch all the way up to an impressive 150 inches. That alone makes the LS800 appealing for people who want a cinematic experience but do not want the complexity that usually comes with setting up a large projection system. You can simply slide it onto a media console, pair it with a suitable surface or an ambient light rejecting screen, and suddenly you have a theater-level picture that dominates the room. One of the standout aspects of the LS800 is its brightness. At 4,000 lumens, it is one of the brightest ultra-short throw projectors in its class, which means the picture remains vibrant and clear even in rooms with ambient light. Many projectors need total darkness to look their best, but the LS800 is designed to perform exceptionally well in real-world conditions where you might have daylight coming through windows or lamps on during casual viewing. If you pair it with Epson's Silverflex ambient light rejecting screen, which is sold separately, you take that performance even further. Those screens are engineered to absorb up to 90% of ambient light, significantly improving contrast and sharpness, resulting in a picture that still feels crisp, punchy, and detailed even during daytime viewing. When it comes to image quality, the LS800 does not disappoint. It uses Epson's 3-chip, 3 LCD architecture, which means it can display the full color signal without any rainbowing or color breakup, something that single-chip projectors can struggle with. This gives the LS800 excellent color reproduction, smooth gradients, and a consistency that feels natural and comfortable to watch for long periods of time. The projector supports 4K PRO-UHD, which uses advanced pixel shifting techniques to deliver stunning clarity and detail that feels close to true 4K. Combined with full 10-bit HDR color processing, the LS800 is able to accurately accept and display 100% of an HDR source. This matters because HDR relies heavily on subtle tonal differences, highlight control, and shadow detail. With the high brightness of the LS800, HDR content looks incredibly dynamic. Bright highlights maintain intensity without washing out, and darker areas preserve texture and depth. The result is a more realistic and cinematic picture, especially when watching modern movies mastered for high dynamic range. Gaming performance is also strong on this projector. With 3 HDMI ports, including one dedicated for gaming, the LS800 supports up to 1080p at 120Hz and 4K HDR at 60Hz. This allows for responsive gameplay and fluid motion that gamers will appreciate. Whether you are playing competitive titles where responsiveness matters or visually rich open-world games where immersion is the goal, the LS800 handles both scenarios with ease. The projector is fully compatible with nearly all color formats and signal types, making it a versatile hub for consoles, cable boxes, and streaming devices. The design of the LS800 is sleek and modern. It blends easily into different interior styles and maintains a clean profile, which is something many people look for when they want a home theater setup that does not dominate their decor. Epson has also built in practical adjustments, including multi-point picture alignment and adjustable feet that make it straightforward to get the picture perfectly shaped and positioned, even if your surface or wall is not perfectly level. You can achieve an accurately framed image without needing complicated mounting systems or manual lens adjustments. A major highlight of the LS800 is its sound quality. Many projectors include built-in speakers out of necessity, but they usually sound thin or lack depth. Epson took a very different approach by partnering with Yamaha to design a 2.1-channel virtual surround system. The soundbar built into the projector delivers surprisingly full, rich, and immersive audio. With presets for television, sports, movies, and music, the sound can adapt to the type of content you're watching. You can also pair a smartphone via Bluetooth and use the unit as a standalone speaker, which makes it even more versatile. For people who want a clean setup without extra audio equipment, this built-in speaker system is more than capable of filling a room with detailed, cinematic sound. The smart features of the LS800 also stand out. It runs on Android TV, giving you direct access to a variety of streaming services including Prime Video, Hulu, Disney+, HBO Max, YouTube, and more. With the included remote and built-in Google Assistant, navigating apps, searching for content, and controlling playback becomes incredibly convenient. You can also stream live TV through apps like YouTube TV, making the LS800 a complete entertainment hub without needing external dongles or media players. Overall, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 delivers a powerful combination of convenience, image quality, sound performance, and smart functionality. Its ultra-short throw design eliminates many of the hurdles people normally associate with projectors, while its 4000 lumen brightness, 10-bit HDR processing, and Epson's reliable 3 LCD technology create a picture that looks vivid, smooth, and highly cinematic. With excellent built-in sound from Yamaha, strong gaming support, a modern design, and a fully featured smart TV interface, the LS800 stands out as one of the most complete and user-friendly ultra-short throw projectors available today. Whether you're building a home theater, upgrading your living room experience, or replacing a traditional TV with something far more immersive, this projector delivers exceptional performance in nearly every category.